From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your weather tonight.
Fred Gossage here, coming to you from the Home Weather Center on this 4th of July evening with your latest forecast. And before we get to that, coming up this Saturday evening, July 8th at 7 p.m., come out to downtown Lawrenceburg on the Square. We have Twister on the Square. Every second Saturday through the summer, Lawrenceburg is hosting a movie night out on the Square. Bring your lawn chair with the family. Enjoy family fun out there. This week, Tennessee Valley Weather is helping sponsor Twister as the July movie on the Square. That is this Saturday evening, coming up July 8th at 7 p.m. Members of the weather team will be out there as well. All right, we're going to head on into your forecast now. And as we go through the afternoon, so far things have been mostly quiet for a large part of the day. The showers and thunderstorms knocking on the door, and I think we'll have a few scattered storms around into the evening hours, but not everybody's going to get rain. By 7 o'clock here, Futurecast showing an area of scattered showers and thunderstorms over northwest Alabama into southern middle Tennessee. I'm not quite completely sure it's going to be this widespread. It may be much more isolated than this, so don't cancel your evening plans. Just pay attention to the radar, and I do think you're still going to be able to do evening cookouts, probably going to be able to do fireworks as well, just as long as you do pay attention to the weather. A lot of this settles down toward midnight. We head down toward the upper 60s, lower 70s, but headed into the morning hours, there may be some more shower and thunderstorm development over parts of the areas we head through the morning into the midday hours. Otherwise, partly sunny for our Wednesday with a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Daytime highs in the upper 80s and lower 90s. And then headed back into the evening hours, we're partly cloudy. Again, maybe an evening shower or thunderstorm. And then we drop out of the 90s and the 80s back into the 70s and then the 60s overnight. And then we really don't change the weather too much. It'll be daily chances of scattered showers and thunderstorms, not just for our Wednesday, but our Thursday. Maybe a slightly better chance on Thursday, and then into our Friday and the weekend as well, as we just have this weak stalled frontal boundary nearby interacting with this summertime tropical moisture. So rain chance is definitely not zero here for the next several days. Also, we don't have too much in the way of runaway heat either. The big heat ridge we had last week into the weekend is broken down a good bit now and shifted back off to the west a bit. So we're back into daytime highs roughly between the upper 80s and the lower 90s, right around where we should be for July in the Tennessee Valley. Morning lows also in the upper 60s and lower 70s with all the tropical summertime moisture around. Speaking of the tropics, we are watching the tropics as we always do this time of year, but not a lot going on out there. The disturbances moving into the Caribbean's really gotten sheared apart because the upper level lows sitting near the Bahamas, a lot of wind shear with that in the subtropical jet. No tropical development expected in the Atlantic for at least the next 7 days. Although we have a weak disturbance in the Bay of Campeche we're watching just in case that does change. We'll certainly let you know with daily tropical updates. Your hourly forecast here as we head into the overnight hour showers and thunderstorms. Notice the rain chances are not excessively high. Showers and thunderstorms will be possible through the evening until about midnight or so, but they will be scattered in nature, so don't cancel your evening plans. Just be aware of the weather and be ready to head indoors for a short time if a thunderstorm does come up. And then maybe a few more showers and thunderstorms developing as early as Wednesday morning. Here's your forecast breakdown with a hometown forecast. Upper 80s, lower 90s across southern middle Tennessee. Partly sunny skies with scattered showers and thunderstorms being possible. More of the general same over northwest Alabama, partly sunny to mostly cloudy, highs near 90 degrees within a couple degrees of that, and generally scattered showers and thunderstorms being possible not just in the afternoon, but as early as the morning hours as well. Here's your 7-day forecast breakdown, and again, daily rain chances here each day. They're going to tick up a little more on Thursday, and then a little more going later into the weekend, but there's no day here where the rain chance is completely zero. Daily chances of isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms. Daytime highs through the weekend into the lower 90s. Morning lows into the upper 60s, lower 70s. We may start to warm up a little bit as we head closer to the middle of next week. There's a look at your latest forecast here from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Ben Luna's back in the morning with another check of your local weather.